Joy, joy, joy. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. It doesn't happen very often, but every once in a while I get invited to someone's place for the weekend. Recently I went up to a friend's farm, and like all weekends away, they assigned meals. I did our very fabulous breakfast casserole. You can check up here if you want to make that recipe. But on the Saturday evening of this weekend away, our friends produced a beautiful curry dish by Lucy Waverman, followed by this beautiful bok choy side dish. The curry was fantastic, no doubt, but this bok choy preparation, technique, service of got me thinking, wow, what could I do to kind of replicate this fantastic service of a side dish that I want you to try. It is very fresh tasting, easy to prepare, but it's truly all about the joy of bok choy. So bok choy is this very tiny green. We take our bok choy, trim the ends, split in half, place them into a large bowl. And then we're going to be roasting the bok choy, so we need to make a bit of a marinade. You can do this by eye. I will do the recipe attached to the story. I'm adding about 1/4 cup of an extra virgin olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Be generous with a handful of chili flakes, and then the perfect accompaniment to this dish, I have some fresh garlic, 5 cloves, I have a big knob of ginger, chop the heck out of it, and once your ginger and garlic is chopped, we're adding it into the bowl, whisk everything together, pour on top of the bok choy, hands are washed into the bowl, stir everything by hand, and then onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, 400-degree oven, bok choy joy goes in. 5 minutes later, grab some tongs, open the oven, flip that bok choy around, close the oven for an additional 5 minutes. After the baby bok choy is kind of just wilted, take it out of the oven, transfer to a beautiful presentation piece, a little squeeze of lemon juice, we're going to brighten the flavor, some kosher salt if you need it, some chili peppers if you wish. When you go to serve, it looks so beautiful and inviting. I'm going to use my fingers, excuse me, but I'm allowed to do so because I washed them before I dug them in. To give you a taste, crunchy. Got a bit of bite. Wow. Excuse me, I'm in a moment of enjoying bok choy joy. What a great side dish goes with everything. Looking for other things to enjoy, why not head to weekendатthecottage.com. Please remember to look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. Then after that, we want you to say hi in a really big way on all of our social media platforms. Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So many ways to add joy to our lives, yet this one is my new favorite. Bok choy. How about some bok choy joy? That's what I'm talking about. Enjoy.